Huh? Oh, sticky.
Sticky beef. Daging, meaty. Sticky beef. Yeah. Thank you. So by the way, this is the first hotel I was told, Hilton. It was built 20 years ago. I think it was the first two buildings here. So banyak benda-benda yang historical kat sini. So memang cantik kawasan ni. Oh, nampak besar LCD screen tu, LED screen. Tengok bola ke apa kat sini boleh. Basketball court kat sana. China. China banyak tempat cantik sebenarnya, cuma tak, mungkin sebab dia orang terasing daripada media ataupun social media kan. So a lot of things yang cun-cun kat sini sebenarnya. Aku tak tahu pun yang ada bandar segempak ni. And apparently it's the fourth or fifth biggest city in China, Chongqing. And this is the mountains lah, the city of mountains. And also motorbikes. And yeah, this is the stadium that we're going to. So the CAF, Chongqing Motorsport Association is in this building. It was built 1956 until now, so the government decided to not demolish it but keep it as a historical punya spot so that the youngsters still appreciate lah. So I think they watch football there in the football field. So it's pretty cool stadium, cantik. Macam kalau Malaysia Stadium Merdeka macam tu kan. So they have this stadium. So memang cantik lah. So kalau nak jogging ke apa, nak bersukan ke, you guys are welcome. I think it's free. FC online, mungkin ada tournament kot. Padang dia pun cantik guys. Kita tengok tu padang dia. Rumput dia well maintained. So there you go, 1956. Kalau korang nampak, right here, 1956. So, dia dah jadi tempat public area, basketball courts, ada banyak, I think 4 or 5 courts here. Dan dalam ni semua, belakang ni dah jadi office lah. So ada office number 12, 11 sections. So the Chongqing Motorsport Association is in this building, the stadium. So in this building is the swimming pool. Super cool. So swimming activities inside this building.
This area is the sport.
Sports area. The motorsport of Chongqing. Yeah. Hello. Motorsport. Hi. Hey man, nice to meet you again. Hey.
Look at that.
Oh, super cool. Yes. Legit. Alright guys, so we just finished signing with the China side, CDC, and CAMF, yeah, the China Motorsport Federation. Hopefully collaboration with them this year and also in the future. So now we are already at this area where we found, alhamdulillah, halal food. So basically this whole strip is a halal strip. So you have, you know, hot pot everywhere. There's halal everywhere. Here is halal. And so alhamdulillah, you know, we found somewhere to eat, and big thanks to the guys, Mr. Tan and of course Jackie and Mr. Ho, to actually bring us here, because he understand that we are fasting, but we are still 1 hour early. Kita masih awal 1 jam, and diorang tengah, aku cakap diorang kau makan dulu, nanti buka puasa baru aku join korang, because we are 1 hour from the airport. So our flight is at 9, so by 7 we gotta quickly go, because we gotta reach the airport at least before 8:30. Before 8. So insyaAllah sempat kot. So yeah, jom kita tengok kedai makan kita nak masuk ni. Okay guys, so basically this whole strip, see atas tu pun ada hot pot, everywhere else. So they told me that it's a halal punya Muslim friendly strip. So I'm blessed, so that's where we're gonna eat. Not sure what's the name, but yeah. Anyhow. So these are the product, halal. So these are the spices you can buy. Maybe I try to buy one and bring it home and try masak kat rumah. Looks good though. So we're gonna have hot pot here. Assalamualaikum. Yeah. Yeah, again? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. Alright, jom masuk pula dalam restoran ni, hot pot. So apparently this guy is quite well known, famous. So these are all his products. It's very nice. It smells good in here. So you can see. Find out what's the name of the shop, because everything is written in Chinese. I don't understand. What's the name of the restaurant?
How to say? Let me. Chen Yi Sun.
Chen Yi Sun.
I don't know how to speak English.
Chen Yi Sun. Yeah, but yeah,
this maybe this boss is it's a minor race of China.
Okay.
Belongs to Hui minor.
Okay.
Minor races.
Right. So
the entrepreneur's name is Ma Yonggang.
Ma Yonggang.
That's me. Yeah.
Okay. So I saw him inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think he's inside earlier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's still early. It's called breakfast. It's at 7:13. So I can only eat at 7:13.
7.
Seven. I cannot eat before
the
sunset. Yeah. Sunset. Yeah.
Sunset.
That's right. So I told them just go ahead, eat first, and then when it's my turn to eat, then yeah. So don't worry about me. So I think it's empty because everyone is fasting, but the one that's not fasting, they can go ahead. So this is where you get all your sauce. You mix everything up. Mr. How? Good? So yeah, very good. So again, we have a private room by ourselves. So this is where we are seated. Yeah. So we're gonna have our hot pot here. They can enjoy it first, and we'll join them during breakfast, Maghrib time. So let's go.
We're waiting for you to eat, man.
Eat first. I'll wait for you. No problem.
You're not gonna eat. You know that it takes a longer time for us to eat.
Yeah.
Come over here. We're gonna show you the off-road e-bikes.
Wow.
Not this one. Not this one. 10 days later, inside the traditional campers here.
Wow. Okay.
Inside that.
Inside the housing.
Straight race.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, check out the houses behind. It's so nice.
Yeah.
See, beautiful houses. Traditional.
It's an Asian town.
Asian town. So the building is still from the before, right?
Yeah, the same.
Was renewed.
Renewed. Oh, so nice. So in the middle of the jungle, the city, you have still the original Chinese houses. So check this out, man. That's hot pot in China.
他在视频里说他中国哥们儿弄他，知道的斋月挺点好吃的。然后你看看点的什么饮料。
Not spicy.
大雪碧和大可乐都行。可以，口渴。
So they're gonna go ahead and eat first. So I'll have to wait for another hour. But looks good.
国外人是有契约金的，
很好的。
Halal hot pot.
你看他跟我签的吧，
重
还不是
庆。
个鼻涕纸，就我这个成绩还不是个鼻涕纸。
啊？
老外人当不上。
哇！
就变成了一个。
Video, yeah.
这已经是的 video。
Yeah.
你看不掉的粘在
啊，sticky
beef. Daging, meaty.
Sticky beef.
Sticky beef. Yeah. Thank you.
orange juice, we can celebrate.
Orange juice.
That's what we desire. So we take that as beer.
Sorry, no alcohol, Jackie. No alcohol. Jackie's crying. So yeah, this is a Muslim restaurant, so no alcohol. And Jackie's crying. Okay guys, sambil aku tunggu diorang makan, tunggu nak buka puasa. Ni a few pictures yang owner ni tampal kat sini. Aku rasa banyak involvement dia dengan komuniti Islam dekat China, dan of course involvement dia throughout the rest of the Islamic countries. So guys, kalau korang datang China nak cari makanan halal kat Chongqing, boleh datang sini. Memang mantap hotpot dia. Padu berdaging, yang penting halal. So banyak lagi guys makanan halal kat sini. Ni pun hotpot lagi. So aku jalan-jalan ni sementara tunggu buka puasa. Tak boleh tahan lah tengok makan. So aku keluar dulu, jalan-jalan ambil angin. Ada dekat 40 minit lagi. So kita tengok apa yang ada lagi kat sini. So ni aku tak sure halal ke tak. Ni nampak best. Semua hotpot lah. Ni halal lagi, Masya Allah. Assalamualaikum. How are you, brother? Good, good, yeah.
How are you?
Good. Yeah. From Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia. Yeah. Thank you. So another halal shop, alhamdulillah. So dekat sini, dekat Chongqing ni, buka puasa dia pukul 7.10. Dia dengan Shanghai beza. Shanghai pukul 6 dah buka. 1 jam awal. So aku nasib baik check Kalau tak dah tak pasal-pasal terbuka puasa awal. So kita pun rushing juga sebenarnya, sebab once we are done buka puasa, kena cepat-cepat gerak pergi airport. Because we have to take a flight. Our flight is at 9:30. So we have to be there at 9 at least. At 8:30 at least. So ni pun aku tak sure whether this is halal or not. But yeah, this is just the whole strip lah. Diorang kata majority the strip is selling halal food. So yeah. Alright, nice apartments everywhere. So tu macam 7-Eleven, like the mart over there. So this is like considered nightlife. Nampak macam dah sunset, tapi not yet guys. So there's nice apartments over there. So this is quite old, that's older. So yeah, nampak macam dah nak buka kan, but not yet guys. It's because it's fogging up. It's still cold, it's about 15 degrees now. So yeah, inilah dia serba sedikit Chongqing. But I kind of like China to be honest. I mean this is Chongqing, belum Beijing, belum Shanghai. They are more busy, but still Chongqing pun nice bro. So, this apartment pun cantik. Still like very new lah. So yep, jom balik ke kedai makan. Perut aku dah masuk angin. Sebab hari ni sahur makan kacang je. dengan air. Tak sempat nak have a proper sahur because the options are not much, and the breakfast aku tak yakin. China, to be honest, with the help of Google Maps and the people here, you just look for the mosque, and then around the mosque ada a lot of halal food. So tak ada masalah untuk makan lah bagi aku kat sini. So if you guys have a chance to go to China, you guys should visit because the food is awesome. Semalam kita makan another place pun sedap makanan dia. Alright. So this is mine.
It's your first time to China?
No, many times. It's only first time. Yeah. So everybody is done. So now it's about my turn. Buka puasa is coming soon. So can't wait. Mala, right? This is mala.
Mala.
Spicy. High speed. Look at that. Spices.
Yeah, a few minutes.
Nice. So we're gonna take a few minutes before it starts boiling like that. So can't wait to dig deep. They're gonna send new meat in. So yeah, full send. Let's go. Bismillah. Selamat buka guys. Oh, by the time you guys see this, dah raya dah. So selamat raya guys. Instead of selamat buka. So yeah. Okay, gua makan dulu. Bismillah. So guys, cuba bagi tahu aku apa kau rasa benda ni untuk apa? What is this thing for? Siapa pandai? Cuba komen kat bawah. Betul dapat t-shirt free. Haha.
Tomorrow for sure.